Hey, what's up, guys? Brian Rodriguez coming to your screen, guys, telling you it's a two-step process, okay? I'm trying to help as many people that want to get helped, okay? So I'm not going to wait for Facebook to do its thing or nothing like that. No, I'm just going to simply tell you what it is that you got to do. The first step is hit the link that's above, okay? Or if you're on YouTube, hit the link that's in the description. Then you're going to go to the step number 2. Step number 2 is this right here. If you're watching the video, step 1 would be pretty much hit the link. Is this link that's right here, if it decides to load. But by the way, anyways, hopefully if you guys are on Facebook, hopefully you guys get a chance to go ahead and to see the recent video that I put. 22 minutes of full value, guys. All right, so now we're here on the page that I invited you to. Brian Rodriguez, also known as Bestdealsshop. Yes, I understand that having a product and a business is not enough, okay? You need a system. But if you guys don't want the system, that's fine. You might have your own system. I'm not making this video for the system. I'm making this video to show you guys, okay? You guys could check this all out. It's useful information. Is this, okay? The featured bonus, a free membership, okay, to a training, and more. Why do I say more? You're gonna get more than just a training right here, okay? And it's absolutely free with this link. All you have to do is just pretty much fill out the form right here. It's gonna take you to another page, and that other page is where you're gonna get access to this membership, okay? $497 plus membership. I don't know how much this person would sell this training, okay? I honestly don't know, but I know that it's more than $497 because you get to learn marketing, YouTube training, social media training, and more, plus bonuses for a limited time. So let's go ahead. For the people that are like, oh, well, I don't know what it is behind the wall or whatever, blah, 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 blah. Let me go ahead and fill it out for you so you guys could go ahead and see. Yeah, go ahead. If you want some snacks, go ahead, get some snacks, man. I'll grab one right when I'm done with this video showing people the value right here. Okay, so gain access here. Once you do that, okay, it's gonna go ahead and it's gonna take you to another page. Once it takes you to another page, it's gonna look like this. All right, is this site right here, BDS Marketing Tools, BDS Marketing and Solution. You go down a little bit and right there, get full access, okay? 100% free educational platform where you could build your very own 6-figure online business. And that is it. Those are the 2 steps that you got to do, okay? And it's going to ask you right here, enter your business link. Let us know what business you're representing, okay? What business is it that you're representing? All right? We'll be able to probably get some help for you, get you some leads, all right? So once you do that, you just go ahead and you claim your free membership, and it's going to take you to the training. Now, I'm not going to show you guys what is in there. I'm actually using the training, the membership. I'm using it as well. It's giving me so many ideas. You see the website, the content, the stuff that I'm creating. All right. If you knew me last year, I wasn't creating stuff like that. All right, guys. I got a system. This video is not about the system. You want to know about the system? Watch the previous 22 minutes of just value video, okay? 22 minutes. I'm showing you about CRM systems. I'm showing you about capture page systems. I'm showing you the importance of not just shooting out your link, all right? Your referral link, getting messages and stuff. Your referral link and stuff like that. Don't just shoot it out, because you're not gonna know, all right? You're not gonna know how to track the people, okay? Do you know how to track the people? Do you know how many clicks do you get? Do you know how many people see your opportunity? If you don't have a capture lead system, and you're not capturing leads, you're throwing a lot of money and a lot of valuable relationships away by just posting your link. But anyways, for that, watch the video, the previous video that I created. This right here is for those that are just tuning in a little bit late. That's fine. You guys are busy and stuff. I went ahead and I showed, once you hit this link right here, okay, it's going to take you to another page. Once you hit to the other page, it's going to show you, this is pretty much is going to be the next page right here, okay? You get full access, 100% free educational platform where you, see, I showed educational platform and people started getting scared, started leaving, but that's okay. Maybe the numbers that you could get from the tools And the membership, you know, maybe 6-figure online business, maybe creating your very own 6-figure online business is just too much for you. Maybe it's too much. But for the go-getters, go ahead and get that. Get the system, okay? Which is the membership site. Get the membership site, okay? Get the membership absolutely free. This guy is just a beast in the industry, and he's just showing people like you and me, all right, how to create a 6-figure online business. Now, I got the tool to create a limited website, CRM system, online ads, social media marketing, all that retargeting, all that good stuff. But I'm still part of this membership. Why? Because that's what sharks do. Sharks learn, huh? Sharks learn, take advantage. They know how to leverage, huh? Yeah, they know how to leverage, especially something free, huh? And get value, huh? Get value, get money, help others, build your empire. Hey, those that want it will grab it, and those that don't won't. And that's the facts of life. Out, guys.